Embroider Buddy offers designs that you can use to embellish when you are monogramming. They have all of these charms, which are embroiderable designs that match so many of their products. So they are great for adding a little extra when you are monogramming. We're going to do that today on Pauley Pup. But if you would like to know more about downloading those charms, check it out in the description. So we are going to monogram here on Pauley Pup. They make it so easy for us to monogram on their products. There's a zipper that only we can find because it's completely hidden. I'm just going to unzip the back. You're able to remove the belly, and you're also able to remove the head, which helps us as the embroiderer so that we can lay it nice and flat on the table. Now, when you are sewing on plush, you want to consider maybe adding some extra underlay stitches, because what that does is that kind of helps your pretty stitches just sit on top of your underlay stitches. So maybe add an extra zigzag underlay stitch if you can, and that will make it pop off of the plush a little bit better. I'm going to use a piece of 3-ounce cutaway, and I'm going to slip that right in. They also had, the Pauley Pup has a seam right on his belly, so you don't even have to worry about centering it. You're just going to go with that seam. It makes it so easy. Now, in addition to adding some extra underlay stitches, you can also add water soluble, because water soluble holds down the plush while you're sewing on it so that the plush doesn't come up through your pretty stitches. So I'm going to take my 15-centimeter magnetic hoops. Are great for Embroider Buddy, but you don't have to have anything special. Any regular hoop will work because it goes completely flat. So I'm just going to, I have my water soluble on top, I have my piece of cutaway on the back, and of course I'm going to hoop it upside down. So let's get it to the machine. The design will take approximately 10 minutes. And just like that, Pauley Pup has a new home. So if you'd like to know more about the charms, the embroiderable designs, they are going to be in the description how to download those. And if you'd like to become a retailer for Embroider Buddy, go to the link below and fill out the application.